Good morning, students. Myself JP Maurya. I am student of class 8 English medium. Please pay attention, class 8 English medium students. Last week I have taught you the pronoun and its kind. The pronoun and its kind. And today I am going to solve you the exercises that is given in your book. So please open your book on page 37. Class 8 English medium की स्टूडेंट अपनी बुक्स खोल लीजिए पेज नंबर 37 पर. Open your book on page 37 and go to the exercises. Learning check मिला. देखिए उसमें फर्स्ट क्या दिया है, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड राइट द मिसिंग सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन इन द ब्लैंक्स. यानी कि एक पैराग्राफ आपको दिया हुआ है, यू हैव टू फिल द सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ऑफ द प्रोनाउन इन द ब्लैंक प्लेस. रीड द पैराग्राफ. माई नेम इज कार्तिक. आई हैव 2 sisters. You have to fill here I, pronoun I fill करेंगे. I have 2 sisters. फिर भरेंगे they are both older than me. Sometimes they take me to the park and we play together. We play football together. I like playing football with them because they are very good. We are going to the park today. Would you like to come with us? Question mark फिर उसमें फिर करेंगे. We can all play together. We can all play together. Afterward, you can come to my house if you want to. I think you will like my mom. She is very funny and make great cakes. Do you like cake? उसके बाद go to the second question. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. First is I talked to the girl whose bicycle, whose WHOSE, whose bicycle had broken down in front of the shop. In first sentence, you will fill whose, relative pronoun whose. Second, Mr. Ram, who is an auto driver, WHO, who is an auto driver, lives on the corner. C, we often visit our aunt in Gwalior, who is an MP. Which is in MP. See the question number 3. We often visit our aunt in Gwalior, which is in MP. Fourth, this is the girl who comes from south. Who? Fifth, that's Pulkit, the boy who had just arrived at the airport. Sixth, thank you very much for your gift, which was very nice. Which. Next, the man whose father, whose WHOSE, whose father is an electrician, forgot his umbrella. Whose. Next, the children who shouted in the street. Who. Next, the car whose driver is a young man is from Ireland. What did you do with the money which your mother lent you? Which. So in the second question you have to fill relatives pronoun what, who, whose, whom, which, etc. Now go to the third question. Replace the personal pronouns by possessive adjectives. Personal pronoun is given and you have to fill in the blanks with possessive adjective of the given pronouns. Where are your belongings? Your, you का possessive क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे? Your belongings. Your fill करेंगे. Here is a postcard from my friend Rita. My friend. Third, she lives in Australia now with her family. With her family. Next, her husband works in Nagpur. Her husband. Next, his company builds houses. His. Next, their children go to school in Jammu. Their children go to school in Jammu. My mother and I want to go to Australia too. My mother and I. Next, we want to see Pinku and her family next winter. Her family. Our winter breaks are over. Our winter breaks. Their summer vacations has started. Their summer vacations has started. Question number 4. From the option provided after each sentence, select a word that would correctly complete the sentence. In this exercise, there are alternatives given and you have to fill the appropriate alternatives. First, be sure that everyone brings his own stationery. His. First, fill करेंगे his. If anyone calls, tell him. Tell him. Sarah and I. Sarah and I have been close friends for many years. Did you see Rupa and her sister at the game? Her sister. Between you and I, this politician cannot be trusted. Each person in the room turned his head. Turned his head. We know that we can count on Neelu, Lily and we know that we can count on Neelu, Lily and her. Rani explained that her sister, sorry, इसमें होगा H वाले में Rani explained that she and her sister, she and her sister had often eaten at that restaurant. C. Most of the workers were wearing their rubber boots. There. It's always best for a student to ask question when she doesn't understand a problem. It's always best for a student to ask questions when she doesn't understand a problem. So today you have to do the exercises that is given in your book. Okay, I have solved you the exercises and you have to do it into your fair copy. Thanks.